Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might change the way you look at your plate forever. Vegetables are a cornerstone of a healthy diet. They come in a dazzling array of colors, shapes, and sizes, each offering a unique blend of nutrients that contribute to our overall health. From the deep greens of spinach and kale to the bright reds of bell peppers and tomatoes, vegetables are nature's gift to our well-being. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our bodies need to thrive. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining our immune system, supporting digestion, and even protecting against chronic diseases. The act of preparing vegetables, whether by chopping, slicing, or dicing, is the first step in unlocking their nutritional potential. But when it comes to reaping the most benefits from these nutritional powerhouses, the question arises, is it better to eat them raw or cooked? Raw vegetables retain their natural enzymes, which can aid in digestion and provide a fresh, crisp texture. On the other hand, cooking vegetables can enhance the availability of certain nutrients, making them easier for our bodies to absorb. Both raw and cooked vegetables offer unique advantages, and the optimal choice depends on individual needs and preferences. For instance, raw vegetables like carrots and bell peppers are excellent sources of vitamin C, which can be diminished by heat. Conversely, cooking tomatoes increases the levels of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. In this exploration of the raw versus cooked debate, we'll delve into the science behind each approach, examining the digestive aspects, nutritional benefits, and potential drawbacks. We'll look at how different cooking methods, such as steaming, boiling, and roasting, affect the nutrient content of vegetables. Additionally, we'll consider how individual health conditions and dietary goals can influence the best way to consume vegetables. Understanding these factors will empower you to make informed decisions about how to incorporate more vegetables into your daily routine, ensuring you enjoy their goodness in a way that complements your overall well-being. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or planning a family dinner, knowing the benefits of both raw and cooked vegetables can help you create balanced, nutritious meals. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the vegetable kingdom. From the garden to your plate, the journey of vegetables is one of nature's most fascinating stories. Join us as we uncover the best ways to enjoy these vibrant, health-boosting foods. Raw vegetables are bursting with life. They retain all of their naturally occurring enzymes, which play a crucial role in digestion. These enzymes act as catalysts, helping to break down food molecules into smaller, more easily absorbed components. Advocates for raw food diets often highlight the potential for increased nutrient availability from consuming raw vegetables. Some studies suggest that certain vitamins, like vitamin C, may be more susceptible to degradation during the cooking process. Furthermore, raw vegetables often contain higher levels of water-soluble vitamins, such as B vitamins and vitamin C, which can be leached out into cooking water. While raw vegetables offer a bounty of enzymes and nutrients, they are often celebrated for their health benefits and vibrant colors. From crunchy carrots to leafy greens, these foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being. However, their high fiber content can pose digestive challenges for some individuals. This is particularly true for those who are not accustomed to a high-fiber diet or have sensitive digestive systems. Raw vegetables, particularly those from the cruciferous family like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage, contain complex sugars called raffinose. These sugars are not easily broken down by the human digestive system. These sugars can be difficult to break down in the digestive tract, leading to gas, bloating, and discomfort. The fermentation of these sugars by gut bacteria produces gas, which can cause significant discomfort. For people with pre-existing digestive conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, consuming large amounts of raw vegetables can exacerbate symptoms. The high fiber and complex sugars can trigger episodes of pain and discomfort. Additionally, some individuals have difficulty digesting raw vegetables due to low stomach acid production or an imbalance in gut bacteria. These factors can hinder the breakdown and absorption of nutrients, leading to digestive distress. In these cases, opting for cooked vegetables can be a more gentle and digestible option. Cooking vegetables helps to break down the complex sugars and fibers, making them easier on the digestive system. Steaming, boiling, or roasting vegetables can retain most of their nutrients while reducing the risk of digestive discomfort. For those who struggle with raw vegetables, incorporating more cooked options into their diet can provide a balanced approach to enjoying the benefits of vegetables without the associated digestive issues. Cooking vegetables can make them easier on the digestive system. Heat helps to break down tough plant cell walls and soften fibrous tissues, making them gentler on the gut and potentially reducing the risk of digestive upset. Furthermore, cooking can increase the bioavailability of certain nutrients, particularly antioxidants like lycopene found in tomatoes and beta-carotene in carrots. These antioxidants are bound to the plant cell walls and are released more readily during the cooking process, making them more easily absorbed by the body. Fermentation offers a unique way to enjoy the benefits of vegetables while also promoting gut health. Fermented vegetables such as sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles undergo a process where naturally present bacteria convert sugars into lactic acid. This process not only preserves the vegetables but also creates beneficial probiotics, live microorganisms that support a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Probiotics have been linked to improved digestion, enhanced immunity, and even a reduced risk of certain chronic diseases. Incorporating a variety of fermented vegetables into your diet can be a delicious and gut-friendly way to boost your vegetable intake. Section 6. Finding the right balance. Listening to your body. The key to reaping the maximum benefits from vegetables lies in finding the right balance between raw and cooked forms. The optimal approach varies depending on individual digestive health, nutritional needs, and personal preferences. Pay attention to how your body responds to different types of vegetables and preparation methods. If you experience digestive discomfort after eating raw cruciferous vegetables, try steaming, roasting, or stir-frying them instead. Experiment with different cooking methods to enhance the flavor and appeal of vegetables. Roasting brings out natural sweetness, while stir-frying preserves a satisfying crunch. Section 7. Practical tips for incorporating more cooked vegetables. Incorporating more cooked vegetables into your diet can be both delicious and nutritious. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. First, embrace roasting. Roasting vegetables intensifies their natural sweetness and creates delicious caramelized edges. This method works particularly well with root vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and beets, as well as cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. The high heat of the oven brings out the natural sugars in the vegetables, giving them a rich, deep flavor that is hard to resist. Toss them with a drizzle of olive oil, herbs, and spices before roasting for a flavor-packed side dish. You can experiment with different combinations of herbs and spices to find your favorite flavors. For example, try rosemary and thyme with potatoes, or cumin and paprika with carrots. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor the seasoning to match the rest of your meal. Second, experiment with stir-fries. Stir-frying is a quick and easy way to cook vegetables while preserving their vibrant color and crunch. This method is perfect for busy weeknights when you need to get dinner on the table fast. You can use a variety of vegetables in a stir-fry, such as bell peppers, snap peas, and mushrooms. The key is to cut the vegetables into uniform pieces so they cook evenly. Use a high heat and a small amount of oil to prevent overcooking. This will help the vegetables retain their texture and nutrients. You can also add a splash of soy sauce or a squeeze of lime juice for extra flavor. Stir-fries are incredibly versatile and can be served over rice, noodles, or even on their own as a light meal. Third, get creative with soups and stews. Soups and stews are a comforting and nutritious way to enjoy a variety of vegetables. They are perfect for using up any leftover vegetables you have in the fridge. Simply chop them up and add them to a pot with some broth and let it simmer until everything is tender. You can also add spices and herbs to enhance the flavor. Add lentils, beans, or whole grains for a complete meal. These additions not only boost the nutritional value of your soup or stew, but also make it more filling. Lentils and beans are great sources of protein and fiber, while whole grains like barley or quinoa add a hearty texture. This makes soups and stews a well-rounded meal that can be enjoyed any time of the year. Lastly, sneak them into sauces. Pureed cooked vegetables can be added to sauces to boost their nutritional value without compromising on flavor. This is a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet, especially if you have picky eaters at home. You can add pureed carrots or squash to tomato sauce or blend spinach into a creamy pasta sauce. The vegetables will blend seamlessly into the sauce, adding nutrients and a subtle flavor that enhances the dish. Section 8. Embracing variety for a healthier you. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is variety. Aim to include a rainbow of colors from both raw and cooked vegetables in your daily meals. This will ensure you receive a diverse range of nutrients and antioxidants. Don't be afraid to experiment with different vegetables and cooking methods to find what you enjoy most. The more you enjoy your vegetables, the more likely you are to continue incorporating them into your diet. Section 9. Your vegetable journey. A challenge and an invitation. I challenge you to embark on a journey of culinary exploration with vegetables. This week, try incorporating a new cooked or fermented vegetable into your diet. Pay attention to how you feel and how it affects your digestion and overall well-being. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to embrace the goodness of vegetables in all their forms. Remember, small changes can lead to significant health benefits over time. Until next time, stay healthy.